jumping right into this video. I am working with a company called CHANTICHE Wig to actually bring you a U Part wig. So I've noticed that you guys really like videos like this because you get your natural hair out. I'm just showing you really quickly the inside of the unit. So we have 3 combs going all the way around the outside of that, and then of course a comb in the back, and we even have an elastic band to just hold it really tight, and combs on the side. So of course I'm starting off with hair that was like previously straightened, and now it's just like a hot mess, honestly. I was trying to determine if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. So in this case, I'm going to be doing a middle part, and so I'm actually just splitting my hair directly down the center to kind of get an idea of where I want that U part wig to lay. So it is a silky straight unit, and it is length 18. So I will definitely put all the details in my description box. As you guys just saw, I literally just measured that out, and then I'm going to go ahead and part out the hair that I want to cover the track. So I'm just doing a nice little U part, literally a U part. And then I'm going to go ahead and tuck this hair away. So the thing that I love about this is that you don't have to go through all the legwork of sitting there, getting the sew in, getting a quick weave. You literally can pop it on and go. If you want to add a little bit of length to your natural hair, this is going to be great, so that you don't have to do, like, you know, the clip-ins or even having to add pieces throughout your hair. So this is definitely going to be great. The only thing that I would say is if you do have a hard time with like braiding your hair, just go ahead and pull this back into a ponytail. I don't expect for everyone to know how to braid, so there's that. But just really quick, I am going to put it into 2 little pigtails going straight to the back. If you are able to braid your hair while it's just like thick and full, congrats to you, because that is a bit of a challenge, so I get it. But again, if it's too much trouble for you, just smooth your hair back into a low ponytail, and I promise you, you'll never even see the difference. So I'm actually going to go ahead and continue to do the same thing on the other side. And I already have my hair moisturized. I do have some coconut oil in it, so you definitely want to make sure that your hair is hydrated around the edges and definitely in the back, because of course you will have some friction there, but that's kind of normal with any weave, right? So I'm going to be taking my ebon edge control just to kind of touch up the edges, of course, as you can see, and I'm just going to smooth that into my hair. Honestly, I should have done this before I even started the braid, but I didn't want to apply too much products because I'm kind of a neat freak, and these little cornrows would have actually turned into like a full-blown hairstyle, so I didn't want to do that. But just showing you a really easy and lazy beginner type of way to kind of just get the job done. So as you guys can see, it does lay down my hair. I have just been going through the struggle with you guys as far as laying my edges now that I'm not like texturizing them, so I feel your pain for once. Like, I can honestly say I feel your pain. I get it. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick those combs in where they can fit. Sorry, y'all, somebody texting me. But I didn't end up pretty much using the back comb for the back part of that U part area. I only used the 2 sides, and then they have the clamped combs on the sides of the wig as well. So I did go ahead and use those. They're very similar to like I would say a clip-in, you know, so you'll see that. Y'all, someone is blowing me up. All right, so now that I have the wig on, of course, I'm just going to pretty much brush it out. It's actually really soft and flowy. The hair is a deep, dark color. It's not actually black. I know the lighting in this video may appear that it's black, but it's a really deep, dark brown. So that's that. But the hair was really easy to go through. I'm using my FHI flat iron 2-inch. As you guys can see, I'm doing this in the most lazy way. I think this video is definitely going to be like less than 10 minutes. So if you can only imagine real time, when I cut this video down, it took me literally about 15 to 20 minutes to install, start to finish. You cannot go anywhere and get a weave that quick. So keep that in mind. Definitely something to invest in. They do have multiple cap sizes, so it's just something to look into. Like I said, the hair is really shiny, effortless, and because it is virgin hair or, you know, Brazilian hair, you can go ahead and wash it. You can definitely color it if you need to customize it. Let me know if that's something you want to see, because I thought about doing that with another U part that I have, actually like doing like an ombre type of thing and showing you how to blend your hair with that. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. I think it would be fun, cute, and just something different, right? So as I continue to go through the hair, definitely just want to let you guys know to make sure that you turn on your post notifications. I know that a lot of you guys have been missing my posts, so I apologize for that. I have no clue what's going on with YouTube, but like I said, just pop in every so often. I post on Mondays, usually Wednesdays, and every now and again you'll get a Sunday video. So pretty consistent in regards to the Monday, Wednesday uploads, but just let me know you know, if you're having too much trouble. But other than that, yeah, I'm always here, and there's plenty of content for you guys to review. So this is pretty much what it looks like, all straightened out. Like I said, really, really quick, nice, soft, bouncy, did not have a smell at all. The hair was not shedding at all. It already came pre-trimmed, y'all. This was like literally a pop on and go. The only thing I did have to do was cut out, there was like this like band going across the U part that I did have to cut out, but that was perfect because they let me know that my wig came and I was the first person to have it, to wear it. And yeah, that was pretty much that. I mean, I definitely enjoyed this. And like I said, I mean, because I also knew that this was kind of going to be one of those videos where it's like, okay, this is going to be straight to the point. I wanted to kind of allow you to see every single process that I did. So I made sure to leave all those details there as well. And as far as their return policy goes, I did see that as long as you don't cut that part in the middle, you can return it, which is kind of weird because, of course, if you're trying it on, I definitely recommend just to literally try it on, see if it works for you before pulling out your hair and trying to style it. So, I mean, they're pretty flexible. I have not heard too much, you know, well, actually, I haven't heard anything bad about the company as of now. So let me know what your experience is like in regards to that. And if you actually order from them, I definitely will try my best to get a coupon code for you. And yeah, send me your photos. I know you guys are really good about that. I usually get a lot of DMs with all of your updates and, you know, kind of like just checking in and letting me know the styles that you guys have tried, inspired by me. So that's always really, really sweet and nice to see. But I'm literally just going through my hair, kind of doing a rough straighten, even though it was kind of already straight, right? I'm just going to smooth everything over with my brush, and you see that it blends with my hair just fine. My hair is a tiny bit more textured than the hair, but for the most part, we're all set, and we don't have to do anything extra. So very straight to the point. I'm not going to be trimming this hair, not going to be cutting it, not going to add layers, anything. It's just straight, and I want to keep it that way. This is going to be a cute style for if I want to put on a hat, you know, just a really like get up and go type of thing. So definitely enjoyed making this video. Leave any comments or questions down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you guys in my next video. As usual, bye babes.